In case of new product decisions, when you are deciding about new products, then you have to estimate or make an estimate about the new product, and that stage is known as estimation of new products. But you have to decide and you have to finalize it is new item to the universe, mean to say there was no item earlier for the world, or it is a new for a society, or it is new for a nation, or it is new for a market, it is new for a firm, it is new for a segment, or it is new for a consumer. Mean to say you have to estimate the new product is for whom, who will capture your new product. Therefore, you have to analyze, you have to estimate, you have to forecast. During new product decisions, when you are willing to decide, okay, I have to produce new product, then you have to think, okay, what kind of the product I have to develop. It is new for the world. Every person who is living from this corner to another corner of the earth, they will purchase. Or it is new for a society on the basis of the ethnicity. The product is meant for European, American, Asian. Mean to say a particular island is there for whom you are producing it. You have to estimate. Then a particular nation. You are producing a product for India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh, America, New Zealand, Belgium, for whom you are going to produce. Next, it is new for a market. Market mean to say it is new for Hisar, it is new for Sisa, or a particular pocket, or the northern region or the eastern region, or it may be new for a firm. Only a firm is producing. Okay, that is new. New, why? In what sense it is new? Suppose you have changed the design of the light or the tube light, it is new for the firm, not for the society. You have changed the oval shape from the egg shape. A shop design you have changed. It was rectangular earlier. Now you have changed it as oval shape. It means to say it is change not for the society, it is change or new for the firm. Next, new to a segment. Mean to say I am selling these products only for female. Nowadays, I can add one more feature in this product, and that product can be utilized by male and female both, and vice versa. It means to say it is new for that segment. Another point, new to a consumer. One by one, being a scientist of ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research, one scientist is producing a vaccine or developing a vaccine. A particular patient who is COVID-19 positive. It means to say it is new to a consumer. After the success of it, it can be implemented to a segment, then for a firm, for market, then nation, then society, then universe. Therefore, you have to estimate, you have to forecast that you are going to develop new product for whom you have to decide in advance. That is very much important for you, being a producer, being a manufacturer. Now,